Hi everyone. Well, since we were in the process of moving and all of that since a while now, I have a few things that I never had the opportunity to unbox or unpackage. I actually got this very small traveler's notebook, passport size, back in probably January, but I just had the opportunity to finally unpack this thing since we moved. So I'll just show you what's in here, and in some following videos you'll see the inserts that I'm going to make. I'm making my own inserts for this one. That's how I love to do my traveler's notebooks these days, is I can mix any kind of papers that I want in it. And I'm also getting into some of the vintage motif and converting some of those in graphics software, and I'll be making those available as freebies coming up on my website as well. So let's unbox this and see what all of this looks like. Now, if I remember correctly, I got all of this from Jet Pens. So it's nice because they shrink wrap it completely, and then everything is also still in its original packaging. So the brand is Traveler's Company, and I bought this from Jet Pens, so everything comes perfectly packaged. Why I loved this year's 2019 is called Traveler's Music. And I just loved how this foiling looks on this year's. I always love a nice zipper pouch inside. So this is the Traveler's Company passport size, and this is the zipper case. So the first pocket, the reason why they call it the 4 pockets is first you have the zipper pocket, and then there's 2 business card style pockets here, and then there's 2 business card pockets here. So your 4 pockets are here, plus your 1 zipper pocket. This is the craft paper folder to store extra stickers. These are the extra bands that I use if I decide to add a lot of inserts. So these are the connecting bands for when I want to attach more books than what's already allowed inside of the notebook itself. And now for the actual passport size. This one is in blue. I've been eyeing this one for a long time. Actually, probably one of my favorite releases by them was the Pan Am release, and I was just too late to the bandwagon and didn't get that one. But when I saw this one with the music motif, I really loved it. And since I already have a regular sized traveler's notebook in olive from them, I decided to try out the passport size. Comes in this really pretty canvas bag, and here it is. So it's this dark blue color. I don't know if the camera picks it up very well. Let me try to zoom in better. I guess that's as good as I'm going to get with the lighting. It's a very dark, deep blue, almost a black. Really pretty, and it comes with 1 insert, and this is a pretty thick insert for as little of a notebook as it is. This has a lot of pages in it. So it's the blank, and there are, just like the other traveler's notebooks, there's a bookmark right here, and then here's 1 elastic right here. and then the other elastic is right here. So you can fit just as many traveler's notebooks in the pocket size as you can in the regular size. Oh, it feels so good, so nice and soft. Now, I do love the contrast of this color band, so I'm going to be switching out my band right here to this color instead. That's super simple. All you have to do is pull it straight out, just like that. And then you'll notice the loops are a little bit of a different size. That's okay. You can always loosen this to make it a little bit deeper if you want it to be. So since I just have the one blank insert so far, I'm going to just wrap some of these other items around it, and I could move them around later when I add other inserts in. Now, one thing that I'll warn you about is these zipper pouches. They'll leave an indent on your leather if you let that be on the outside like this. So usually I will either put another insert around it, or I'll put a folder like this one right here, and I try to put stuff in between so I don't get that indentation in my traveler's notebook. So there it is for now until I put my other inserts in it. And as I start working in this little notebook with some of the music notes vintage ephemera that I find, I'll post more videos on that coming soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.